Hi, I'm Barbara McGinnis, certified elder law attorney and partner at Takacs McGinnis Elder Care Law. Many people come to our office with the desire to protect the home from TennCare's estate recovery. In other words, when my loved one dies, will the state force the sale of my house to pay for my loved one's TennCare debt? One way to protect the homestead is through the Undue Hardship Exemption. The Undue Hardship Exemption will be the focus of this video. Tennessee sees undue hardship in three ways. The first way to establish undue hardship is to prove the property of the estate is the sole income-producing asset of the survivors, such as a family farm or other family business. The second way to establish undue hardship is a sibling of the deceased individual meets all the following criteria. 1. He or she was lawfully residing in the individual's home at least 1 year immediately before the individual's admission to a medical institution. 2. He or she provided care to such individual for that year, which permitted the individual to reside at home rather than an institution. And 3. He or she lawfully resides in such home on a continuous basis since the date of the individual's admission to the medical institution. The third way to establish undue hardship is a son or daughter of the individual that meets all of the following criteria. 1. He or she was lawfully residing in the individual's home for at least 2 years immediately before the individual's admission to the medical institution. 2. He or she provided care to such individual for those 2 years, which permitted the individual to reside at home rather than an institution. And 3. He or she has lawfully resided in such home on a continuous basis since the date of the individual's admission to the medical institution. With the exemption of the family business, all undue hardship shall no longer exist when the sibling or child of the decedent no longer resides in the home. For any of these undue hardship exceptions to take place, a request for release must be submitted to TennCare. TennCare will then determine whether the estate is eligible for the undue hardship exemption, and if so, TennCare will file a release in the probate court. TennCare can be complicated. If you're exploring options on how to pay for your loved one's care, either inside or outside of the home, call our office to schedule a consult.